Transfer factor was discovered over 50 years ago. There's research by universities, by private industries, and over 2,000 articles that are available on the internet.
The science behind transfer factor is spectacular. It's been tested in humans. There's a huge amount of scientific research to support that this product indeed supports the immune system like no other product.
In fact, it has been recently shown that transfer factors improve natural killer cell activity up to 437%. And we have recently discovered that transfer factors dramatically improve the production of salivary IgA antibodies that protect us from an onslaught of invaders.
Research is present when it comes to transfer factor, but the true key is to start using the product.
Honestly, finding the research was the easy part. There was just so much evidence showing the efficacy of transfer factors. Our challenge was to bring this amazing breakthrough to market. I worked with researchers in both the science and nutraceutical fields. We patented and formulated 4Life's first transfer factor product. And starting from that first formulation, we've built a company that now holds or has pending dozens of worldwide patents and trademarks, has over a dozen worldwide offices and sales in nearly 50 countries.
Since that first product, more than a decade ago, 4Life has continued to be the authority on transfer factors. 4Life is the immune system company. We've learned to target transfer factors to meet specific wellness concerns, and we've created innovative new delivery systems that support and reinforce 4Life transfer factors' amazing abilities.
We've discovered immune power in nanofactor molecules, key molecules in immune system intuition that help your body's natural defenses work in harmony and balance to know when to act, how to act, and when to rest.
Nanofactor, when combined with transfer factor, provides the best product available to stimulate, educate, and to influence the immune system. There is no other product on the market that has the wisdom of the combination of nanofactor and transfer factor.
This single-minded focus on unlocking the power of transfer factors has led to worldwide recognition. For his commitment to research and development of 4Life transfer factor, David was honored with Russia's I.N. Blokina Award for excellence in the field of biotechnology. While the recognition is gratifying, our real pride stems from knowing that 4Life transfer factor is now used in research in hospitals and in households throughout the world.
Como madre nunca le daría a mis hijas algo que no fuera seguro. Y sé que transfer factor es seguro y también es natural. Es realmente la manera en que la naturaleza nos mantiene fuertes y saludables.
Una preparación para una competencia deportiva consta de 8 a 12 semanas. Esa conlleva una buena nutrición, un buen descanso, pero también lleva unos complementos donde te ayuden a recuperar, como el sistema inmunológico. Casi siempre los atletas cuando van a un evento deportivo casi siempre están enfermos. Así que con un producto como Transfer Factor de la compañía 4Life te puede ayudar a que evites de que te enfermes para cuando llegue a la competencia poder ir en óptimas condiciones con opciones a ganar.
Es muy común que las personas quieran estar en el lugar de los que trabajamos en el campo de las artes, pero la realidad es que en este campo está frecuentemente bajo la presión del tiempo. Desde que he descubierto este pequeño milagro llamado 4Life Transfer Factor, mi vida ha cambiado en ese sentido. Siempre tengo una sensación de bienestar. Parece que tengo la energía para cumplir con mis asignaciones. Y las fechas de vencimiento, por lo menos físicamente, ya no me asustan.
It's a fact. Many peak performers worldwide depend on 4Life's revolutionary transfer factor formulas to help them keep at the top of their game. And so should you. 4Life Transfer Factor is only available from people who love it and use it every day. In fact, these people have discovered that the 4Life business opportunity gives them an opportunity to earn extra income while sharing a product they love.
We invite you to talk to the person who gave you this DVD. Find out for yourself how 4Life Transfer Factor has enhanced their health and changed their outlook on life.